It was a day that changed aviation history forever. March 27, 1977. Two giant Boeing 747s were diverted to a tiny, overcrowded airport in Tenerife. A heavy blanket of fog suddenly covered the runway, making visibility nearly zero. Inside the KLM cockpit, the pilot was anxious to take off immediately. A fatal misunderstanding in radio messages led the pilot to a terrible mistake. Without clear permission, the KLM captain pushed the throttles to full power. Unknown to him, a Pan Am 747 was still taxiing on the same runway. At the last second, they saw each other. The collision was unavoidable. A massive fireball erupted as the two giant planes struck each other. People perished in the deadliest accident in the history of aviation. This tragedy forced the world to create new safety rules for flying. The lessons of Tenerife are never forgotten. Subscribe for more aviation stories.